Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the topic recruitment and selection in human resource management. Recruitment is basically the inviting the application from the eligible job seekers, while selection is selecting or identify who is best fit for the job, selecting the application or shortlisting it. So recruitment is the process of identifying, screening and hiring the most suitable candidate for the job vacancy. The candidate might be hired by the internal or from the external sources. The process must be performed timely, cost effectively manner. It can also be termed as process of linking the employers and the employees. It is basically the linkage between the employees and the employers. The purpose and the importance of the human resource is attracting the maximum number of candidates. First, the most important is that the recruitment process must have the number of applicants. Next, create the strong database. Third is assertion and current and the future manpower requirements. Then make the hiring exercise most cost effective. The importance of recruitment: to identify the potential candidates, to identify the outside candidates, to establish the various sources of candidates, to help in increasing the success of hiring process. Next is the recruitment process. Recruitment process is started with the identifying the vacancies or what is the need of the company. First we need to identify it. Then the preparation of job specification and job description, that is the job analysis. Next is advertising. Next, receiving and managing the application. Whatever the application we receive, we have to manage it. Next is shortlisting the candidates. Then arranging the interviews. Next is conducting the interview and deciding on the candidate who is suitable for the particular job. Next is the selection. Selection refers to the process by which the qualified applicants are selected by the means of various predetermined numbers out of large number of applications. Next, the definition. We are given the definition of selection. Selection is the process in which candidates for the employment are divided in two classes: those who are offered employment and those who are not. Next, according to Kuntz, selecting the manager in choosing among the candidates who is one who best meets the position requirement. Next is the process of selection. First, developing the selection criteria. First, we need to standardize the selection process, of we need to fix some criteria. Next, receipt of applications and resume reviewed. Next is conducting the interviews, then background check, and then making the offer to the suitable candidate. Next is types of selection test. There are different types of selection test. First is aptitude test, which is based on the mental ability or intelligence. Psychomotor test. Next is the intelligence test, that is the IQ test. Next is the personality test. The person's personality is fitted to the job or not. Next is the performance test. Performance test define how the knowledge of the employee or the individual can best fit to the organization. Next is the techniques of selection. By written application, we can check the selection. Panel interviews, presentation and seminar. Through presentation and seminar, we can do the selection. Next is referee report or testing or work samples. Internal mobility of HR. How the HR can be internally mobilized. First, with the promotion, individual go to the upper level. Next, demotion, go on the down level. Next, the new position. If the new position is available in the organization, they shifted to that position. Mentorship, cross team or additional projects they can work on. Job shadowing and job swaps. They can swap the job with each other. Thank you.